Are chickens really 364% larger than they were 60 years ago?
Yep, these chickens have grown faster than the pile of dishes in my sink.
Back in the 1940s, chicken was considered a luxury, costing around $3 a bird. That's like over $30 in today's economy. This made chicken pretty impractical for the average family. In order to make chicken more accessible, farmers and grocery stores worked together to breed chickens with bigger breasts in a short amount of time. And they got really good at it. It now takes less than half the amount of land, water, food, and fuel to produce a single pound of meat compared to the 1950s. These factors played a role in changing diet. Broilers began to get a lot more corn and